Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. And this is another beautiful new candle which I'm launching. It's called as a reconciliation candle. It's basically, if you see, I had brought this years back as come to me candle on a pink where it'll be the same way, but the difference between that and this is the pink candle come to me candle is to make your loved one come to you, but that loved one who comes to you is basically can be a person who's your lover and who's not your life partner, can also be basically a person whom you desire to come to you. Even for that you can do, but this is reconciliation, is where the person has fought with you and the person has left you, but you know that you cannot stay without that person, and you know that you need that person in your life for sure. So for that it is this candle, and basically the reason behind the concept of black and the red is any blockages, any unwanted energies which is there, that gets cleared off and then they reconcile. And I've always said red is the color of energy, red is the color of speed, so that's the reason, so that they reconcile very very fast. Now what I will do, when you pick up this from me, I will be sending you something to write at the back of the heart here, and here in the base also I'll be sending you some affirmation or symbols to do that. Now when you're burning it, what you do is I'll be sending an oil, and I'll be sending you all a herb. I'll be sending a reconciliation oil and the reconciliation herb. Now first thing, before you get into this, I want to tell you all, when we do rituals, we should be very very sure whether we want what we are asking, and if we really want it, then only we should do, because it should not become that I ask for something and then I decide that why did I even ask for it, because these are certain things where you have to be very 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 careful, else you are stuck, and later on even when you decide, nothing can be changed, because this is your way of telling the universe what you need, and the universe is giving you what you need. So first thing is, be sure whether you want to reconcile with this person, because why I'm saying this is I've seen many people in abusive relationship, but they still want the partner back, because they feel that what will I do without him, what will I do without her, and what will the society think, or my parents will not agree. All these things keep running in the minds of women and men who come to me, and then they say, no Pinky ji, we want reconciliation, but then I tell them, are you really sure? And then at that point of time they just say, no, we are very sure, and we want to get back to them. But later on they realize that they should not have reconciled, but then it is too late. Then you cannot again go back on what you want, and then it cannot happen. So now, as I said, I will be sending all the symbol, affirmation, or the sigil, whatever I feel apt, because I'll be asking you what is the issue that the separation happened, and reconciliation on what basis, and then I will do. Now when you are in your home, I have a Palo Santo. If you don't have a Palo Santo, if you pick up these candles, you'll have to take a sandalwood agarbatti, or preferably a rose agarbatti, and then you will show it everywhere. You will show the candle everywhere, and as you're showing it, you will say, I reconcile with my partner comes back to me. You can say the name also. My partner comes back to me, my partner loves me, and I love my partner. The universe is there to bring him back to me, and the universe will do it. And then you can call on the god or the goddesses which you like. I call on Hecate. Sometimes I work with Aphrodite, not Aphrodite, sorry, sometimes I work with Hathor. So if you are a person who loves working with Egyptian gods, you can work with Hathor, and you can also work with the energies of Shiv Parvati if you are a follower of Lord Shiva, that the way Shiv Parvati always come back as one, I and my partner come back as one. And then what you will do is, you will take your relationship, the reconciliation oil, and then you will put it on the tip of both the wicks, and then with both your hands, because two hands together become one. So this hand will be the energy of the male, and this hand will be the energy of the female. You will just apply the way I am showing. So the oil is put here on the tip, and then you apply. You apply it fully, one. And when you're applying, you'll say, as I'm applying this oil, the divine brings both of us back. We are reconciled and we are happy. Same thing you will apply, and you will say 5 times. One, put the drop of oil, at least 5 drops. Every drop you put, and then you intend and you do. So that will be 5 times. After that, the next 6 times you will do the same with the herb. You will take a little bit of herb, and then you will sprinkle, and you will say, as I am sprinkling this herb, the divine has blessed me and I am reconciled. So the next step will be like, the divine has blessed me and I have reconciled. That will be 6 times. So 6 pinches of powders you will just sprinkle on top, and you will say this, and then you will burn it. Now if you are a female and you want your male partner to reconcile with you, then what you will do is you will burn the male partner first and then the female. And if you are a male partner and you want your female to come back to you, then you will burn the female first and then the male candle. This should be done at least for a minimum of 11 times. If the reconciliation, if you've been working on the reconciliation, say for the past 6 months or 7 months, but if you've been working for reconciliation for more than a year, then at least 21 Fridays is what you should do. And this works beautifully when it is done either on 21 Fridays or starting on any Friday and doing it for 21 days at a stretch, or on every full moon and new moon. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you all understood it. You can always get back to me asking any doubts which you all have. If you want me to bring in some new products, if you want me to bring in some new types of spells or rituals as videos, then you can even let me know on that, and I'll be more than happy to bring them. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon so that you will know when I bring in new videos. And if you're not a part of my WhatsApp group, you can WhatsApp me at 917-623-1990, and I will add you to the WhatsApp group where we keep bringing in these videos. We keep bringing in new tips whenever I get the time, and then we update our workshops and products from time to time. At the same time, if you feel that you should try this, then you can even connect with me and I will energize it and I will send it to you. Anything you want, just let me know. Do leave a comment as to how you felt the candle is and what you want me to bring in future for some other issues, and I will be more than happy to bring the videos for that. So that's all for now, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a beautiful and an amazing day ahead. God bless you all. Bless you.